I haven't ridden the bike in over a month. I broke a bolt on the front brake caliper of my Honda Rally. I was doing a fork alignment, but luckily it turned out in my favor. Let me explain. Because I am an idiot and I just kept torquing, expecting this bolt to tighten, it somehow managed to thread itself through to the other side. The problem is, the bolt now is dangerously threading itself onto the other side, looking to interact with one of the holes of this brake disc. So if one of those holes were to somehow manage and catch that broken bolt, I could be in a world of hurt. So today we're gonna take the front tire off, remove the broken bolt, and add the new bolts and take this baby for a ride. Let's go. All right, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is take the front tire off. What I should have done was loosen these pinch bolts before I lifted the bike off the ground. But we're not gonna do anything about that now. First thing we need to do is loosen these pinch bolts. Second thing we need to do, and they are 10 millimeter. You see why we should have loosened these? Let me get a socket. 10 millimeter socket, here we are. You wanna cradle the tire in between your legs. Next, we're gonna need a 14 millimeter hex socket, which I have right here, to take off the front axle. Lefty loosey. Support the tire a little bit, make sure the bike doesn't fall off the fucking back. That'd be wild. That'd be content for sure. Can I just take this out now? Oh. Please don't fall. Oh man, the bike definitely wants to go backwards. Well, we can't have that, can we? Pause. I know there were two spacers. This one didn't fall. This one did. We'll put those to the side. This is the brake side. Right is brake. Left is clutch. Okay, I'm going to secure the back tire. Actually, it looks like it's already leaning back. Okay, that's kind of scary though. Okay, roll the tire out. That's the front tire, baby. Let's get a look at the brake bolt. That's dangerous. I think we should use some vice grips. What do you think? God damn it, everything's in the storage room.
Roll up, call the hotline, come phone up. Get the one down to the shoulder. Stacking up, no folder. Hold up, roll up. Go on running round for the gold rush. All around the town like Nola. I was on the way for the soda. Hold up, roll up.
I'm such a dad. I got this tool bucket. I love this thing. Aha! There they are. See if I can get a hold of this puppy. Yeah. Oh, that works. I think. Should the tube move like that? I've never seen that. Should this tube move independently? Okay, yeah, that would make sense. That's how it absorbs bounces. Okay. Let's get in there. Oh, it's free. Holy shit. It made it. Wow. There's that son of a... This thing almost really messed up my entire day. It looks good though. That's wild. Yeah. Well, I think we should put the next bolt in, don't you think? I think we should. That's what we should do. I think we should put the new bolt in. Quantity 1, made in Thailand. Look at her. Oh, look at that bolt. It's so brand new. I think I'll torque the bolt when the bike is off the stand, so let's go ahead and do that. But first, let me put the front tire back on. There it is. There it is. Right side is clutch. No, right side was clutch, but did I put it on my right side or my left side? I wonder if it matters. All right, load the baby up. Oh, my leg is shaking. I'm usually really scared of this kind of stuff. Whoa. I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna break my bike, or it just comes from inexperience. I've never done it before, you know? Is that in? Am I threading? Let's go, let's get one of these lugs. What the fuck? This is harder than it looks. I'm trying to align the threads of the axle bolt onto the fork of the other side, and because I can't lift this and align at the same time, it's not working. But now that I've got the threads, what seem to be tightened, I'm afraid that I'm gonna misthread or strip them by tightening this, because it's not very free. So, come on, baby. Oh man, I think I got it this time. Okay, well, let's stop using my hand like an idiot and start using tools. I'm a caveman and I use tools. Oh, that's the other way. All right, so I see that the axle bolt is sliding through. Okay, I know this needs torqued. Oh, a good old Craftsman. All right, that's a positive click. I'm gonna leave that there and do the axle pinch bolts on the ground. See me look like an idiot trying to take this bike off. I've only put it on once, but I've never taken it off. Let's see how this works. I'm so anxious. I know it's a squat and lift, right? Okay. Whoa! 330 pounds. Okay, the front axle pinch bolts are 16 foot-pounds. But because this is not in foot-pounds, but in inch-pounds, I need to do 16 times 12. 192. It's so hot here. I need this AC to work. Okay, 192, we are set. We'll go back and forth. Okay, 14. Now, onto the brake caliper. This really scares me because this is when I broke it last time. Oh, click. Okay, one. All right, click. Click. Boys and girls, I think we're ready for a ride. I am sweating and I want to feel the breeze and air on my face because I haven't ridden in so long.
Back on the rally, baby. I can't believe a bolt can bring you so much happiness. This is so cool. I feel so happy. I feel so good. I haven't felt any issues from the front end. I hope it stays that way because I forgot my jacket in excitement, so don't judge me. Oh man, I didn't realize a bolt could bring you so much happiness, and it really is. I feel on top of the world. I'm so happy to be back on the rally. And I really appreciate all of you tuning in. So seriously, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a good day. I'll see you later.